Welcome to the in front of me Blackview Tab 12, and I'll show you how to hide developer options on this device. So open first the settings application and then scroll all the way down to to the system section. You will see here developer options if developer mode is activated. Just to turn them off, click on the switcher. Now let's go back to the system. For example, to the settings section, to the system, then go back. Okay, let's just refresh the settings application. Let's open it once again, go to the system, and we can see that developer options section is gone successfully. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.